progressive federalism, states not being mentioned in the budget speech doesn't have to be a very big issue. They all know they have presented budget in this country for decades. But when it is a ordinary chai wala OBC leader who comes to become prime minister and he does administration well, you then have a problem. Arey, kya ho rahi hai? Is he doing well? No, we'll have to protest. This will not work out, sir. People are seeing this game. So total resources allocated to transfer of states in BE 24-25 is 22,91,182 crores, and that is an increase of 4,93,645 crore, 27.5% over the last year's BE. States transfer to states 22,91,182 crores. Sir, you know the size of the budget, and rightly that much which is due to go to the states are going on time. Then, of course, sir, I've spoken about the criticism about not mentioned in the budget speech. I don't want to elaborate. There are other things. Agricultural allocation has come down, and legal guarantee for MSP. This also has been spoken by more than 20 speakers. Honorable 20 members have spoken. I'll just elaborate. I know Honorable Minister Shivraj Ji has been answering a lot of questions related to agriculture in the last few days. There may be some repetition in my statement, but I'd like to highlight. So the budget allocation for the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare was only 21,934 crores in 2013-14. 13-14 में 21,934 crore rupees ही था agriculture के लिए allotment. मगर अभी 24-25 में वो बढ़ करके 1,23 लाख को 1.23 लाख crore हो गया है. 5 गुना increase है sir. Sir, more than 3.2 lakh crores have been disbursed to over 11 crore farmers under the PM Kisan since its launch. 3.24 lakh crores has been disbursed for 11 crore farmers. So institutional credit targets for agriculture has increased more than 2.5 times. 2014-15, it was 8 lakh crores. Now it is 20 lakh crores. किसान को ये पैसा institutional credit मिल रहा है. Interest subsidy is also being given to Kisan. It has increased 2.4 times. 2014-15 में 6,000 crore interest subsidy के साथ किसानों को लोन मिलता था बैंक से. अभी वो बढ़ करके 14,252 crore से सर इस साल 23-24. Number of accounts of small and marginal farmers availing agricultural loans अभी 76% लोन ले रहे हैं सब्सिडी के साथ. इसीलिए ये नंबर और बढ़ेगी क्योंकि हमारे प्रयत्न किसान के साथ अच्छा चल रही है सर. Sir, also a committee has been constituted some time ago to look at how the CACP cost, Agricultural Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices can work better so that किसान के लिए जो भी सुविधा मिलना चाहिए उसको बेहतरी तरीके से मिलाने के लिए कैसे काम करना उसके ऊपर ये कमेटी काम कर रही है. Sir, I want to highlight, if anything, I think many of our speakers have already said this, but I'd like to highlight this point, sir. Today, sir, the Congress Party and the India Alliance partners are all doing good lot of politics on the farmers. I'm saying it with consideration, sir. I'm not speaking loosely. The National Commission on Farmers, MS Swaminathan, had recommended in 2006 minimum support price should be at 50% more than the weighted average cost of production. This was not accepted by the UPA government. The cabinet note, which was drafted in July 2007, said, and I quote, sir, MSP is recommended by the CACP on objective criteria considering the variety of factors involved. Therefore, setting an increase of at least 50% on the cost may cause distortion in the market. In some cases, there may be a mechanical linkage between MSP and cost of production per producer. इतना कह करके MS स्वामीनाथन के रिपोर्ट को दरकिनारे कर दिया यूपीए गवर्नमेंट ने 2007 में। फिर 2004 मैनिफेस्टो में कांग्रेस पार्टी बोलते हैं कि एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस ले आएंगे, मगर सचमुच में पीएम फसल बीमा योजना ले आने वाले कौन है सर? हमारा प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी। फिर कांग्रेस पार्टी ने ये भी कहा इट वुड एग्जामिन द फीसिबिलिटी ऑफ डायरेक्ट इनकम सपोर्ट टू फार्मर्स, मगर किसान सम्मान निधि 2019 में ले आने वाले कौन है सर? माननीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी। इसीलिए कांग्रेस पार्टी they can go on shedding crocodile tears about farmers, कोई implementation में कुछ नहीं किया पिछले 10 साल में, ऊपर से I would say even for several decades कुछ भी नहीं किया। The failure of the flagship loan waiver, सर मैं failure of the loan waiver 2008 के ऊपर बात करना चाहता हूँ। 2008 के चुनाव में किसान के लिए लोन वेवर के ऊपर इतनी सारे बातें की। CAG found gross irregularities in the implementation of the 50,000 crore agricultural debt waiver and debt relief schemes. एक आध विषय उसमें CAG रिपोर्ट में कहा गया कि around 164 crore was waived off in violation of the guidelines. Implementation में पूरे के पूरे गपलाबाजी करने वाले कांग्रेस है सर। 22% of the cases में lapses and errors पाया गया। 8.5 farmers out of the accounts audited were not eligible to get loans. शायद जीजा बच्चीदा आ गए इसीलिए लोन जिनका मर्जी दे गए, कोई इसमें मेजरिंग मापदंड कोई फॉलो नहीं किया। 34% of the eligible beneficiaries of the test checked accounts were not issued debt waiver certificate. ये मैं मानती हूँ बेरहम एक स्टेप है सर, जिसमें अगर बैंक वो सर्टिफिकेट नहीं देता वो किसान दोबारा लोन नहीं ले पाता। 34% ऑफ द एलिजिबल केसेस में वो सर्टिफिकेट तक नहीं दिया गया इनके लोन वेवर, जिसके ऊपर वो जीत कर आए 2009 में। उतना गपलेबाजी हुआ उसमें, आज किसान के ऊपर रो रहे। सर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के ऊपर 15 ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स ने बात किया।